Hello everyone, today I decided to make a video about how to install Windows 11. Knowing how to upgrade to Windows 11 is vital, especially with this new operating system now available. Windows 11 now has a refreshed start menu and fluent design, as well as great much needed updates. You should consider if Windows 11 is worth making the jump. There are a number of compelling reasons to download, install and upgrade to Windows 11 for your Windows laptop or PC, including widgets and its big focus on gaming. Plus, if you have Windows 7 or never, downloading Windows 11 is free, which means you don't have to look for a pirated, likely incomplete version. For taking screen recording, I preferred virtual environment. If you want to install Windows into VirtualBox to do what I will do at the end times of video. Now click the link which I placed in description. Click Windows 11. For my opinion, this process is not hard. Microsoft make it better, easiest for downloading Windows 11. There are three options. You can choose download installation media and directly download ISO file, and you can take a helping of installation assistant. So click to download. Select this. Click to download. Select which language you want. English, international. Click to confirm. And click to 64-bit download. As you see, there is no 32-byte download option because the requirements of Windows 11, one of the requirements of Windows 11 is your system must be 64-byte architecture. Now I am pausing the video until installation finishes. Before downloading process, I suggest to you look at system requirements. I also will place in the description system requirements. Check please before begin. So click to new and write which name you want. Choose the mentioned folder. It must be Microsoft Windows, and this is Windows 11 64-byte. Click next. RAM size have to give at least 4 gigabytes. I'll leave it as default. Just leave it as default. And the size of hard disk must be at least 64 gigabytes. Click to create. Now go to settings, storage, click this empty part, click here and choose disk file, and choose the ISO file which you downloaded from the Microsoft website. Click open, wait a few seconds, click to OK. So now click to start. In this step, press Shift and F10 and write here reg edit. go to local machine, click to system and setup. After the going setup folder, right click here and new K, write lab new the word 32 byte and write bypass secure boot check, bypass secure boot check, and click and give the value 7 0 and 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 1. Click to OK, and again create a new dword 32 byte, the right name as by pass T P M check, and again give the value 7 0 and 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 1. Click OK. Okay. Now exit from here. Choose which language you want and click to next. Afterwards, click install now. Wait for the setup starting. If you have a product key, right here and click to next, or you don't have, click this. Choose which operating system you want. I prefer first Windows 11 Home, and I suggest this to you. Click next. And read the license terms and click to accept. Custom already has one space. Click first and next. Now installing is started. This is main installation step. After the finishing, I will be show you next steps. Now as you see, Windows is ready. I see different design and some more differences between Windows 10 and WhatsApp already installed. Yes. So yeah, today's tutorial is finished. Thank you for watching. If you liked my video, please like and subscribe. See you next videos. Goodbye people.